Current time now 7:47, and Omaha 100 is built on the belief that the American dream can be accessible for everyone. The key is having the right support. Here to tell us more about the organization is CEO Melinda Williams. Melinda, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thanks so much for having me.
So first one I got for you, we heard a little bit about that message there for Omaha 100. Why is this so important for you to start this?
Yeah, so Omaha 100 has existed for at least 35 years now and has been focused on being committed to providing capital to the community. And so we're removing those barriers in access and providing affordable loans to our neighbors and businesses in both home ownership and business ownership.
And how does Omaha 100 help low-income and minority individuals help secure some of those affordable home loans?
Absolutely. So being a community development financial institution, we're federally designated to help support people, not just with obtaining credit and access to capital, but being successful long-term. So we really want to be partners in the success of those institutions, families as they achieve home ownership, grow and scale their businesses. We connect them to resources. We're a bit of an intermediary in the community, so we connect them to resources that'll help educate and support their growth as they continue that path and build that long-term wealth for their family.
You talk about some of those, is there any specific education or routes that you guys help with? Because I know a lot of people, that's kind of a tough thing if you don't know much about it.
Absolutely, and the world of finance can be complicated. Yeah. There's a lot of noise out there and videos, YouTube, it's you're not really sure what to listen to, but we have some great partners in the community that provide home ownership classes that help prepare homeowners as they're navigating that whole process to finding the right home, going to closing, and then moving in. And then also too on the business side, there's a lot of great resources in the ecosystem. And so we partner those different businesses depending on where they are in their journey of business, whether they're a startup or they've been in business for quite some time and looking to add employees, provide great paying jobs to the community. And so just finding the right partners that help them understand the operations and how to enhance and optimize their business and then move forward as they grow.
And how does Omaha 100 help bridge the gap between financial institution products and the capital needs?
Absolutely, yes. So we have some amazing partners and traditional lenders and banks here in the community that are really committed to making sure that the community is able to access capital, even if it's not with their bank. Being able to not just say no, but here's an opportunity for you to still acquire capital with Omaha 100. And so we get a lot of great referrals from our traditional lenders, and we're able to have a relationship with those borrowers to get them to a place where they're a better bankable client and then send them back to the banks for that traditional experience.
And for anybody who wants help from you guys or needs more information, where can they go to get that? How can they contact you guys? How can they reach out?
So they can go to www.omaha100.org. And right there, everything is digital. We're a digital world. So the application for a home mortgage, business loan, debt consolidation, all that is right there, as well as more information about our partners and our process and our commitment to community.
All righty, Melinda, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you.
I mean, something that a lot of people don't know about, so you guys are doing a great thing.
Thank you so much for the opportunity.
Of course.